turn it around this way and see what happens. You have to be willing to experiment. See what the inks might want to do. Kind of looks like trees or something there now. You could actually go in with a brush and encourage some shapes to happen. So like up here, maybe I like that tree-like shape, so I'm gonna I splattered this tile, and then I went back into it with my Prismacolor markers, the yellow and the magenta, and I refined some of the circles. So I've got my reference spread out around me, and again I'm going to start the same way. The hummingbirds are really easy to draw because it's just circles and squares and a couple of triangles and a long line for the beak, and you've got it. Really up to you with this technique, how much you're going to get out of it, how creative you want to be with it, how you can take my material and make it your own, how you can take this time to discover a little bit more about yourself. Maybe a little bit of a leaf shape to some of these. And again, repeating that green color throughout the tile.